Like that?
Let's see. Here you go. Put some more.
Follow me on Instagram. It's gonna pop up on the screen. It's way.
Yeah, that's about 1 cup.
1 cup.
1 cup of hot water.
We back. We finna put the Jello in there. Yes. Open.
Put the cold water. You gotta put the cold water in there first.
Cold water.
Yep, cold water go in there first, guys. Fill it all up. Fill it all the way up. Goes in there with the hot water.
Look, there's some other cold water.
Then get the Jello.
Meow.
Bring the Jello out. We got
Rip it
Perry.
Rip it open.
You ready to get Jello? Oh, the Jello. Oh,
so
what it looks like.
So
what it looks
powdery.
like.
So powdery. Oh my gosh, that smells like strawberry.
That's strawberry. What it smell like, Paris?
Strawberry.
Strawberries.
No real strawberries.
Whoa.
They're red. It was pink at first, but now it's red. That is. Just making sure.
Huh, so you can stir it up. Stir it.
It's red.
Stir it. Lala, stir it. Stir it, guys. Stir
Where's
it.
the stir? Perry, stop it.
It's no more, Perry. It's in the water.
Water. Whoa. Say some.
It's Kool-Aid, guys.
It looks like somebody swimming. I'm getting all the wrinkles out of here.
That looks like Kool-Aid.
Yeah, for real, we are making Kool-Aid. I was just tricking you.
Get it at the bottom.
I'm in.
Let me see.
I'm all the way at the bottom.
You got it. I know you got this.
Look.
What we about to do with that, Pop It?
We are finna put this on there. Ooh, I don't want to pour it. Hey, why went off? Because it's hot. Hey, why went off? Should I?
We gotta put it in the refrigerator first, and then you get some. It takes a steady hand.
I want to cover it.
Oh, guys, you're getting a lot everywhere. Takes a steady hand. You doing pretty good? Perry, what color? Pink. What? It's red, exactly. She tried to trick me, guys. I don't believe she knows pink. She don't know her colors. She don't know her colors. Perry, what color is on my shirt? What color? Blue? She said blue. But what color when it's dark? It's nighttime on her shirt. That means all the lights is out. It's sleep. It's morning. The sun is out. She's about to waste it all. You're covering it good. Paris says she want to drink it. There's nothing in the cup. She think it's Kool-Aid. No, it's Jello, Paris. It's going to turn to Jello. It's going to be Jello'd out. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Oh no. Oh no, what happened? No, erase it. You gotta erase it. I'll just put it in like that. Oops. Okay. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Hey. Hey, now.
Okay, it looks like she got everything done. Now let's put the first one
It's not hot.
in the refrigerator, guys.
Get it.
Okay, for the second Pop It.
Number 2. I'm gonna put it on here.
On there? Okay.
I wonder what would it do if it's on here.
Let Paris do some too.
Perry, you wanna do some? We need another spoon because I wanna do this one. Awesome.
Okay.
No, you're not getting none. But Daddy, if she do
Perry, you can eat it after.
Daddy,
Huh?
if she do it, then she would eat it.
Yeah, we don't want you to eat it, Paris.
Awesome.
You gotta wait.
She think it's juice. She think it's juice.
Perry think it's juice. It's not juice, Perry.
Don't
It looks like it, don't it?
Don't cry.
Don't cry, Berry. Berry says she thinks it's juice. Oh, red. What is that? What is that puppet? What is that? It's a dinosaur? It's a dinosaur. What does a dinosaur make? Whoa, that's a scary face. Oh, he's scaring me. Oh my god. That is crazy. Okay. Yeah, he got some little arms. Like, do you think he barely grab you like if he's chasing you? Because he got little arms. I don't know. People that got little arms, I don't think they can grab you when they that big. Because you like running. He'll grab you with his teeth. Whoa, that's scared of guy. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, she better waste the Jello. Oh, she got it. Oh my god. This is the dinosaur one. Don't try to eat it, please. There's it up. There's it up. I will put it on his legs. His leg will be Jello. Oh. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna put some on his tail. Some on his tail. Yay. Okay, what puppet is this one? This is the apple puppet. And this is our third puppet. Yeah, I think they like just meat. I don't think they like, just meat? Oh. So they just eat us. Sprinkle it. Yes, sprinkle it. I'm not going to sprinkle it. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to do it over here. Okay. There it is. Paris, what are you doing? Oh, what is that? That's just water. Paris is very determined to drink some of this Jello. She really wants some of this Jello. It look like juice, Perry? It look like juice. Perry said it look like juice. We'll give you some of this since you want to taste it. You ain't gonna like it because it's not cold though. Like she can drink this Jello, right? This is Jello. Oh, really? We'll let you guys taste it. With the apple. Apple. A is for apple. Oh, what is that you see over there? Oh, you wasted it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, she tasted it. Really? Hey! Hey, it's not. Ew. Ew. It's not going to get you guys time to taste it. No. Get your cup. I'll get some. We'll get you some. We'll get you some.
Let's get her some. Just a little bit, guys. Oh, that's it. Just a taste. Give us a thumb up, Paris, if it's good.
She won't.
Is it good?
She's not gonna stop.
Oh, man. It's good?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
But
We should never gave her a taste, guys. I think she's going to be... Oh, it's good? Oh, no more.
Why?
Why?
Awesome.
Why? We got to make it for the Jello.
Awesome. No. Oh. Okay, now can I get some?
Oh, let's see. Did you finish? It's like you missed one at the bottom right there.
The bottom. Okay.
It's a little empty. It's not full like the rest of them.
No full.
You gotta make it full.
I got full.
Oh. Oh.
And rainbow.
I think you got it now. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Oh.
Third poppy. We about to put them in the refrigerator. We gotta wait. How long we we gotta wait, guys. 4 hours.
And Christmas is coming.
We gotta, no, not 4 minutes. We gotta wait 4 hours.